Good morning, students. Myself, Arjun Prasad Gond. Today, I am going to start a new lesson which is related from the geography section, agriculture. Dear students, you know the meaning of the agriculture in Hindi, Krishi. And you know very well that India is an agriculturally important country and 2/3 of its population is engaged in agricultural activities. So here is a very important question. What is agriculture? Or define the agriculture. So dear students, agriculture is a primary activity. What? Agriculture is a primary activity which produces most of the food that we consume, and it also produces raw materials for various types of industries. Dear students, agriculture is an age-old economic activity in our country. At present or in present time, in the different parts of India, the following farming systems are practiced. It means now we will study about the types of farming. What? Types of farming. In India, in present time, the farmers use 3 types of farming: primitive subsistence farming, second, intensive subsistence farming, and the third, commercial farming. What? Once again, primitive subsistence farming, intensive subsistence farming, and commercial farming. What is primitive subsistence farming? Dear students, primitive subsistence farming is a type of farming. Primitive subsistence farming is a type of farming which is practiced on small patches of land. Small patches of land with the help of primitive tools like hoe, hoe, digging sticks, and family and community labors. It also known as slash and burn for agriculture. It is known as slash and burn agriculture. We can say to it also झूमिंग फार्मिंग या झूमी एग्रीकल्चर, झूम एग्रीकल्चर. तो व्हाट इज स्लैश एंड बर्न एग्रीकल्चर? डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस टाइप ऑफ फार्मिंग, farmers clear a patch of land and produce cereals and other food crops to sustain their family. It is also called zooming farming. In this type of farming, when the soil fertility decreases, dear students, then the farmers shift and clear a fresh patch of land for cultivation. Farmers do not use fertilizers or other modern inputs or pesticides in this type of farming. It means farmers totally depend upon the fertility which is provided by the nature. It is known by different names. You can look in your textbook at the page number 34 and 5. The heading is given in your textbook, Jhumi. Now we come at the next topic, a next type of farming, intensive farming. It is a type of farming in which the agriculture production is increased by using scientific methods and better agricultural inputs. It is practiced in thickly populated areas. It is practiced in West Bengal, Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. These states are the thickly populated areas. Next, commercial farming. Commercial farming. Commercial farming is a type of farming under which farmers grow crop to sell in the markets. What are the features of the commercial farming? Dear students, the features are: the farmers use higher dosage of modern inputs like HYB seeds, high yield variety of seeds, chemicals, fertilizers, insecticides, pesticides, etc. Its productivity is very high because farmers use the modern techniques. For example, rice, sugarcane, tea, coffee, rubber, banana, etc. are comes into this category. It means these crops are known as the commercial